Alright guys, it's me, Blake, back in the...
It's covered in pollen.
Ew, God. Oh yeah, at least your hockey ball's alright. So, today's video is about these paper airplanes, and we're throwing this off his shed.
Don't hit the car. Oh, I didn't.
Alright, so Liam is going to be the videotaper, cameraman,
Sure.
and he's going to throw a few airplanes too.
Okay, guys. Here's the first airplane. Now we have to do this quick because my mom's gonna freak if she sees we're up here. So, alright, this. Well, what's it called? What's the plane called, man? You gotta give it a title.
I don't know, the Jet Loser 2.0.
Yeah, might have picked a bad day to do this.
Alright, ready? Once again. 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
Yep, we really picked a bad day to do this. Shoot! Oh my God.
You get down video.
Yeah, it's in my neighbor's yard, and they're gonna be mad.
Wait, let's do this one again.
Dude, that one's soaking wet.
Dude, the Jet Loser 2.0. Let's try it. 3, 2, 1.
Wow, it flew straight.
Oh, it's stuck in the ground. Zoom in on that.
Look at that. It's stuck in the ground. Now, I'm not even good at this.
All right, this one, I have to give it to you, Liam. This is pretty weird.
It's heavy, so hopefully.
It's heavy. It should
So,
fly.
yeah, that's the best. Did it hit the car?
That was the best one so far.
Fling!
No, that's my iPhone 8.
I know,
ready?
man.
3. All right, this one, I think I made it.
No, I made that one.
Oh,
It's
yeah, you
the
made this one.
average.
Here's a Jet Loser 3.0.
Yeah, this is even worse.
To be honest with you.
Come on. If you guys can see that, it's in the tree, and All right. We've got a few more planes to try. They're probably all going to end up in my neighbor's yard or in Catherine Palance's pool, if you know who I'm talking about. Bleach, pool, garbage.
Come on, Steph.
You know.
This is
My backyard.
Jet Loser 4.0 back. All right, this should...
Float, maybe. My nose is itchy.
3, 2, 1.
And you got it stuck in the car.
It's not stuck. All right, here's the next one.
They look the same.
Whoa!
It looks like a bat. And it's stuck in the tree.
I'll take the best one so far.
Dude, my mom's and my neighbor's going to be so mad.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Dude, that was literally the best one.
Okay, that's all of them, and that's a wrap. See you guys.